Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Purpurite, the Stone of Enlightenment. Thank you so much for joining me today. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. And my book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put a link to that in the eye above or in the description box below. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to incorporate crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be talking about how the gemstone Purpurite can help you to make changes and improvements in your everyday life, how it can support you in real life scenarios. And Purpurite is a gorgeous stone. It has some flash. It's a lovely purple color, and you can see I'm trying to get some flash off the light there, that it's a beautiful shimmery stone. There are a couple of ways I've heard this pronounced, of course, Purpurite, but also Purpurite. Whichever one that you prefer, I have heard them both. And this gorgeous gemstone tends to leave a little residue. It's shiny, but much like shungite can be, it leaves a little bit of dust on your hands, and I'm gonna try not to smear Purpurite dust on my face. So you'll want to wash your hands likely after you work with this stone. But it is phenomenal and gorgeous. It's known as the Stone of Enlightenment. And the first benefit of working with Purpurite is that it helps you work towards enlightenment. This is a gemstone that quickly connects the crown chakra to the root chakra. It opens up that channel so that your energy can flow up and down throughout your energetic being, opening you up to universal and spiritual knowledge and experiences. It helps you be more receptive to the purpose of spiritual practices and meditations. This is a gemstone that allows you to see the importance of a consistent, strong, and dedicated spiritual path. To continue learning, to practice, meditate, to perform whatever practices and rituals that your chosen spiritual path has for you. Purpurite increases your motivation to continue sitting, going to your classes, talking to your spiritual teacher or mentor, reading, sitting down and performing those practices. It helps reinforce a sense of dedication to your spiritual journey and to expanding towards eventual enlightenment. The second benefit of working with Purpurite is psychic and spiritual protection. This is a gemstone that will help keep you safe and grounded and protected when you're in deep meditation, when you are performing spiritual practices, if you are dream journeying, if you are astral projecting, if you are in any way deep within yourself or expanded beyond yourself. Purpurite acts as an anchor, one, so that you can come back to the present and be able to move on in a present way with your day. It also then provides a protective barrier, because when we are deep within ourselves, we are a little disconnected from what's going on around us. This gemstone will help us notice if we need to take action to the physical world outside, but it also protects us from any kind of energetic external influences that might attach or influence us when we're in a state of meditation. Then the third benefit of Purpurite, and this proves how useful this gemstone is in many different situations. This stone is so good for public speaking. This gemstone helps you have confidence in your message. It helps you clarify what you want to speak to your audience. It helps you tap into the authentic truth of your words and share it out there with other people. Purpurite helps to reduce the fear of public speaking because you do have more confidence in your message. You know what you want to say. You have passion about your words because you have tapped into the authenticity of your message, your voice. You're speaking from your own inner truth. That brings with it a sense of strength in your words, in your message, in your opinion, and helps you to communicate that truth and wisdom to others. The fourth benefit of working with Purpurite is that it helps to clear psychological barriers. This is part of its inherent ability to help remove barriers to our spiritual progress, to help us expand and move towards spiritual enlightenment. Some things hold us back from this fear of opening up to our spiritual divinity. But also, we may have attachments from the past that are holding us back, worries about things that happened in the past, things that didn't work out. This gemstone helps us release attachment to anything that might be holding us back. Anything that might be causing fears, doubts, worries, lack of confidence. Purpurite helps us cut our attachment to those and leave them behind. This is a stone that also helps to clear away conditioned habits and reaction patterns that may have supported us in the past when we were going through a difficult or previous situation, but that no longer serve us now, that actually hold us back. We can release old beliefs that no longer support us anymore. We can break free from the confines of habits, patterns, and reactions that happen automatically. We don't even think about them anymore, but they're no longer relevant to our current life situations. If you tended to drink a lot of coffee in the afternoon because you were anxious about a particular afternoon work meeting, and that meeting doesn't occur anymore, but you still have the habit of either snacking or drinking a lot of coffee before that meeting, then this helps you recognize that it's not a useful habit anymore, that you don't need it anymore. You don't need that support mechanism, so that you can be free from automatic reactions that are not helpful to you anymore. Purpurite is a phenomenal and powerful stone that clears obstacles to spiritual development and progress. It helps us not only dedicate ourselves to our practice, but to also absorb and communicate wisdom with others and to release anything that might be holding us back from being the best and brightest version of ourselves in this lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me today to discover the wonderful benefits of working with Purpurite. If you do find that this is a stone that could likely help you, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with Purpurite. You do not have to have a piece of the stone to benefit from the guided meditation. You can picture the stone in your mind, and if any of the benefits in this video or the questions that I ask during the meditation, they speak to you, they call to you, or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get a piece of Purpurite and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the benefits of purpurite. If you enjoy these videos and learning about how gemstones can help you, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you again during the guided meditation.